First, you take 1 spoon of erva mate herb and you put inside the gourd, just like so. Then you add hot water, not boiling water, water at about 150-170 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you drop your metal straw inside the gourd at an angle, just like so, and you're gonna sip the infusion through the help of this metal straw, or bomba as we call in Brazil. Then you complete the filling the gourd with herb till you reach the top of the gourd, till you reach the rim, a little past the rim, and you move the herb towards the metal straw, covering the metal straw, opening a space so you can see until you see the water, because through that opening you're going to be refilling your gourd, or cuia as we say in Brazil, with hot water. And so now we complete with hot water until the rim, and you can sip your infusion through the help of the metal straw. And just remember not to touch the metal straw with your fingers when you're sipping, otherwise it might get clogged. And enjoy it.